They're trying to beat up each other. Eat up each other, really? Yeah, eat. Go, Tails, go, Tails. Tails, destroy him. Ow! I'm recording this. Do you see this? Tails is like, I'm humming, humming, ha, ha, humming, humming, ha, ha, humming, humming, ha. Boom, chakalaka. Boom, chakalaka. And happy warm time, nigga. I'm gonna help you warm time, nigga. And Chico. I think you can't see him, but hold on. Boom, chakalaka. They were humping. You're like, what? Stop it. You're gonna mess up the fan. You're like, what? I can't help it by your sexy body. Oh yeah, hump each other. You're like, what? I'm gonna focus. Okay, look. Chica, the Chihuahua, and Tails, the Chihuahua. So they tried having babies, but I think they're gay. Yeah, pretty much. Cause Chico's a boy name. Cause he is a boy. Tails is a boy. And they were humping each other. So I don't think, cause Chico's going to have some babies, but I don't think he is gonna have some. Under Chico's fur. Oh, yeah. Hold on. I'll be back. So, Chico and Tails, what you guys have watched this? Would you? Whatever. Hey, Butchie. Like to buy my phone some candy. Okay, you're trying to bite it.
9,917. Maybe it's 2,900. This is the price.